Something massive is happening behind closed doors at Apple, and it completely contradicts everything we thought we knew about the future of the compact tablet. For years, tech insiders whispered that the smaller form factor was dead. They said smartphones were getting too big, affordable devices would eat the market alive, and that a portable powerhouse was a relic of the past. But they were entirely wrong. Right now, Apple is quietly preparing a device that is set to rewrite the rules of mobile computing, sharing expectations and leaving the competition absolutely scrambling. It isn't just an incremental uplink. It isn't a lazy refresh with a slightly faster chip and new coat of paint. It is the radical rebirth of a cult classic. It is the Apple iPad mini M5. Think about the tech landscape right now. We are living in an era of massive screens, heavy pro laptops, and foldables that cost a small fortune that compromise on durability. There is a massive, silent community of users who don't want a massive canvas. They want extreme power that fits in a jacket pocket. They want a device that can edit 8K video, run desktop plus applications, and handle intense AAA gaming sessions, all being held easily in one hand. For the longest time, Apple kept the audience waiting in the dark, giving them updates only once every 2 years, almost as an afterthought. But the narrative has officially shifted. The upcoming M5 iteration is the moment Apple stops treating its smallest tablet like a casual e-reader and starts treating it like the absolute beast it was always meant to be. But why now? Why is Apple suddenly pouring its most advanced, cutting-edge silicon into a form factor that many critics dismissed? The answer lies in a massive shift in how we consume and create content. The boundary between mobile operating systems and desktop power has completely dissolved. With the massive integration of advanced artificial intelligence, neural processing, and desktop-grade workflows, the hardware needs to catch up, and it needs to do so in a way that remains hyperportable. Imagine walking into a coffee shop, pulling out a device barely larger than a paperback book, and effortlessly compiling code, rendering 3D graphics, or managing complex neural networks without a single stutter, without a loud fan spinning up, and without watching your battery percentage plummet to 0 in minutes. That is the reality Apple is building, and the leaked specifications suggest it is going to be even more disruptive than anyone anticipated. To truly understand the gravity of what is coming, we have to look closely at the heart of the machine. The integration of the M5 architecture into a compact chassis presents an engineering challenge that would make most tech companies completely fold. We are talking about packing billions of transistors, an incredibly powerful graphical engine, and a next-generation neural engine into an enclosure that is incredibly thin. The thermal management alone requires a masterclass in design. Previous generations relied on older mobile chips that, while capable, always felt like a compromise compared to the roaring power of the iPad Pro or the MacBook line. By skipping ahead and dropping the desktop-class N-series architecture directly into the mini canvas, Apple is sending a crystal-clear message. Size no longer dictates performance. This shift changes absolutely everything for creators, professionals, and gamers alike. Think about the mobile